Welcome back to the channel. If Scoot and I are in the GT4 want to be going somewhere, it means only one thing, and we're vlogging. We've got the donuts loaded up. We're off to see a very special friend, Scott at Ratarossa, who's got an amazing channel. Go follow him if you don't already. He's got this incredible 512 BBI restoration build from what was an outside find. It'd been sat outside 12-15 years, and he's doing everything. This car's going to be featured at some of our shows this year, so we're looking forward to seeing the progress. And there's this really cool new tool process that they've got going on today. Let's check it out. Stay tuned. Cool, so we've made it here to meet up with Scott. Scott, where are we? We are at Carrozzeria. Cool, you're getting there. Yeah, it's time to learn Italian with Petrolheadonism.
I normally say Carrozzeria, yeah, but
we heard that on your vlog. Yeah, right, yeah. Carrozzeria.
Carrozzeria.
Ready? Yeah. Carrozzeria.
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 In Maidenhead, and we're here because that's where the 512 BBI is. You've seen Scott on our channel before. Scott, what's the car up to?
Well, originally the plan on the car was to just get it running, enjoy it, clean it up and drive it. Then I had to take out the engine to do the cam belts. One thing's led to another. We're doing a full restoration on it. So the car, kindly, these guys have lent me a ramp. It's up on the ramp, we're stripping it. It is right down to the framework on it. And this bit of kit we've got today is an ice blasting machine. We're going to be ice blasting in it. It makes a bit of noise, so it makes sense to do it here and not in my little garage at home. Ice blasting is what got me turned on about coming to see how this process works, because I was talking about it to another friend. Then the day after, Scott calls me and we have a chat, and he says he's ice blasting the engine block and the back end of the 512. I was like, blimey, I'm hearing all this about ice blasting. We need to find out more. So we're here at Carrozzeria. And we're going to go see how it comes along. What a process. Ice blasting and a quick pickup on the 512 BBI, which will be finished and at one of the shows, Lamborghini versus Ferrari, on the 25th of July. No pressure, but that's where you'll see it. Cool. You will.
Carrozzeria! So we're here with the guys from Karcher, and they've brought their machinery in. We're going to ice blast the 512 BBI engine, but with that you need the ice. And in this massive box there's 3mm ice pellets, minus 80 degrees. You can't touch this with your hands. Now the good thing about this is when you clean the engine off, all you get is the crap literally off the engine, because this stuff evaporates. Watch this. Magic. So less of me, let's go over to Scott and the guys from Karcher to check out this amazing demo. Scott's obviously filming it for the Ratarossa channel, and his 512 BBI is there sitting pretty. So excited about that build, so excited about all of Scott's cars really. And big shout out to Giles Walker, because Giles Walker kind of brought us together nearly 20 years ago, but he's not here right now, he's on the other side of the world. So Giles, yes buddy?
So the main thing we need is we have specialist gloves that are able to handle the ice at minus 80 degrees, goggles, ear defenders and long sleeves. So the springs, it's all about
I can take all this
off,
you know, at the end of the day.
But risk of damage to anything, but it's because you'd use that on the body as well.
We could use it on the body as well, yeah. Yeah, it's all about turning it down. So because we've got the ability to regulate the airflow and the amount of ice, we can go delicate and we can go harsh. Wow. But what we see in front of us.
The main thing I like to say is the big lock area, because that is the bit I can't really dip.
I feel like Supercar Blondie. Look, it goes in here. Isn't that amazing?
So, I'll take over the mic. You might not want to hear me, but behind us is doing the ice blast. I'm literally shouting, having to wear headphones, trying to on the phone. It is loud and very, very cold. Minus 80 degrees. So when you pick up and put in the machine, you have to wear gloves and of course stand back. It's very interesting to see. It's very cold and again, so loud.
Keep on it, mate. We'll keep going.
Irish orange. Yeah.
So I thought I'd take over the camera right now. Here outside, now I'm waiting for Ciro to see this when this is uploaded. Carrozzeria. I can't even pronounce my own name, to be fair. Why am I even trying that? So I'm outside. It's where like these cars have either been crashed or need service. We've got a lovely Audi R8 behind. However, without trying to show you number plates, you know, it is a lovely Audi R8 until, yeah, this one's seen better days, that is for sure. If I just spin the camera around, we've got a lovely M6 in blue with some cool gold wheels. This one actually looks in touch, to be fair. Unlike the Audi R8, which is amazing in the front and then there's nothing actually at the back, this M6 looks really cool. We've then got a 430 without a rear bumper. And there's just a bits and bobs around here. There are some cool stuff. There was a Targa with like a turbo wing, which I could show a picture on, which was there. It is such a cool place to inside. However, wearing these is a must because that ice thing, and I wish I could play the song Ice Ice Baby over the top, but YouTube will copyright that. It is very cold and very, very loud in there. But great to see Ratarossa's car in there. It looks awesome and just cool to see how it all works. And I've never seen that, and yeah, I'm very impressed.
So Scott's had a little piddle on the floor here in the workshop.
That's so exciting.
And where are we?
We're Carrozzeria.
Yes! Nearly! Carrozzeria. Nearly, mate.
Carrozzeria.
So, the Karcher ice blasting team have been going at the engine. How's it gone so far?
Really good. Yeah, we've got some work to do. It's quite a difficult one, obviously, because this has really been weathered so badly. But there are some areas that are coming up fantastic so far. Really happy with it. We're going to keep going, see how far we can get with it, and we are going to make this look spot on.
So we're going to head off now. We're going to leave you to use the bigger machine just to get that extra grime off that. Ice blasting has been an eye-opener for us, and keep watching this channel because something could be happening. We're speaking to the guys at Karcher. Cool. I'll give you a call later. Cheers.